can help you, dinosaur?
Okay, and these are pages 28 and 29 of the Let's Go 4 student book. And this is Unit 4, School. So we're going to talk about some things that we learn about in school. And this is the Let's Talk part, so the dialogue. And here we have a dialogue that we need to fill in. And in your student books, the dialogue looked like this.
What's your favorite subject?
I like science best.
Really? Why do you like science?
I think it's easy.
I don't think so. I think it's hard.
Which subject do you like best?
I like English. It's easier than science.
I like English too. Wow.
Okay, let's try to fill it in. Let's go through. All of the words are up here, so we don't have to worry about spelling, just putting the right word in. Scott and Andy are talking, and they're talking about the subjects that they like. So here we go. What's your subject? What's your science subject, best subject, easy subject, hard subject, like subject, favorite subject, why subject, which subject? Favorite. Excuse me. What's your favorite subject? Cross off favorite. I like science. I like science. I like science best. I like science easy. I like science hard. I like science like. I like science why. I like science which. I like science best. I like science best. Really? Do you like science? Why do you like science? Which do you like science? Why? Why do you like science? W-H-Y. I think it's I think it's science. I think it's easy. I think it's hard. I think it's like. I think it's which. Easy is our answer here. I think it's easy. I don't think so. I think it's the opposite of easy, hard. I think it's hard, H-A-R-D. Subject do you like best? Which? Which subject do you like best? All right, so for big W, H-I-C-H, which? I like English. It's easier than It's easier than science. It's easier than like. Science. S-C-I-E-N-C-E, science. Last one. I English too. I like English too. And done. Very nice. Okay, this is part B and it asks about you. What about you? Right. Which subject do you like best? Okay, so you can write about yours. All of the subjects are over here. And you can look in your student book as well. And the ones that we learned in the student book looked like this.
History.
Science.
English.
Literature.
Geography.
PE. Physical education.
And of course, there could be some other ones too. So I'll write about me. When I was in elementary school, I liked literature the best. I liked reading. So I still like reading. So I'm gonna write, I like literature. I like literature, which means studying stories. Okay, part B's done. Okay, this is part C. And in part C, we have to fill in this crossword puzzle. And to do that, we're going to use these picture clues for the different words of the school subjects. And I am going to use my student book because some of them don't have the spelling here, and the spelling's a little bit hard. So it'll be easier to just look inside of our student books. And also for me, when I fill in a crossword, I like to use capital letters so that it looks nice and neat. You can use small letters if you want, but just don't mix. Don't put big letters and small letters, all big or all small. Let's start. These are the down ones, down, 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 down. And these are the ones going across, here and here. So let's do these two first. First one, I see a globe, an atlas. An atlas is like a book of maps. And then this textbook actually says geography. So this is geography. So let's write that. We got geo first, G-E-O, which means the world, and then ography. And that means the study. Graphy means the study. Graphy. So the study of the natural world. So studying maps and the planet and stuff like that. Number 6, I see test tubes, a microscope, and a science textbook. So number 6 is science. So let's write science. S-C-I-E-N-C-E. Science. Okay, 5 and 6 are done. And now we have a helpful clue in here, and here, and here, and here. So I'm gonna do number 4 next because it's only 2 letters. Number 4, there's a soccer ball, a basketball, a jump rope, a whistle, and maybe a stopwatch. So this is all about gym class and running and jumping and learning to be active. This is called PE. PE. And PE means physical education. So learning about education, your body, physical. And number 1, I see a pencil and then somebody's written hello, maybe English, E-N-G, yeah, this is English. Let's put that in. E-N-G-L-I-S-H, English. Okay, number 2, that's my favorite one. It has a whole bunch of books over here and a nice statue of an old author. I don't know if they're trying to make that into Shakespeare, but anyways, literature. L-I-T-E-R-A-T-U-R-E. Literature, which is the study of words and stories. And the last one right here, number 3, there's a big thick book and it says history on it. So this must be history, which is the study of the past, things that happened in the past. History. Great. We're done part C. All right, this is part D, and it just says complete the questions and answers. So we're going to use the question pattern, which is what's your favorite subject? Remember, favorite means the thing you like the best. And the answer is going to be, I like All right, let's go. What's your favorite subject? He's got lots of books here, so he says, I like literature. I like literature, which we can sound out. Lit, litter, litera, literature. Okay, number 2. What's your favorite subject? Favorite subject. And she's going to say, I like, what's this? She's holding a globe, so I think it's geography. I like geography. 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 Okay, number 3. We'd have to write the whole question this time. So what's, big W, H-A-T, apostrophe S, space, your, space, favorite, F-A-V-O-R-I-T-E, subject, S-U-B-J-E-C-T. Ooh, it barely fit. Okay, and she has a basketball, a soccer ball, and a football. So we're gonna, I think she would say, I like PE. So let's write that for her. I like P, big P, dot, big E, dot. I like PE, physical education. All right, the last one is this boy here. Let's make the whole question again. What's big W, H-A-T, apostrophe S, space, your, space, favorite, and subject. What's your favorite subject? Okay, and he has a big thick book, and then he's got a whole bunch of dates from the past. So let's write, I like history. History. All done. Great job, you guys.